Today we study the tutorial of the 82 remote control motor. First, we learn the motor pairing code I. Press the setting button for 5 seconds until the light is on I. Turn on the remote switch, then press P2 button I. Pair the code successfully I. Open the curtain I. Pause the curtain I. Close the curtain I. Next we learn how to change the direction of the motor. Press the setting button once, release the button I. And press the setting button for 5 seconds I. Indicator light flashes 3 times I. It changed the direction successfully. Now the control of open and close is opposite. Next, we demonstrate the decode tutorial I. Long press the setting button until the light on I. Release button I. Press the setting button for 5 seconds, the indicator flashes for 3 times and then turn off I. Then decode successfully I. Now the remote can't control the curtains I.